We're transplanting our garlic chives today. So we've made a nice little hole or space in the clay pebbles, in the top of the clay pebbles. Now we're going to put that top loosely on, so just sort of like in position. Yeah, that'll do. And then we're going to take this out of here, so if you grab like this cup and pull it right out, careful of the roots, and then you're going to slide the roots through there. And then you can push it down. And then I like to turn the water on at this point, so if you plug that in. And this does two things. First of all, we're testing the pump to make sure it's still working. So you should see water start to like bubble up in there. You can see it? So once you can see it, now what you want to do is, just like when you plant a plant in the earth, you want to like sort of tuck it in.
What I like to do for this one, just to get even more, is kind of bring the spoon underneath it and just do like one of those and get a little more dressed with it. And the water comes and then that'll help sink the roots a little bit in it. It depends how long the roots you have, but this one was pretty long. And then these take like the mighty muscles to close for the first few times.
Okay, and then you can put those caps back on in place. And that's it. You're transplanted.